Tonight, top officials are beginning to assess whether intelligence was compromised as they review the material seized from former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort. The Justice Department believes that some of those documents include intelligence gathering and information derived from clandestine human sources. Those are among America's most closely held secrets. And it comes as a federal judge is indicating she is open to appointing what's called a special master. That's a neutral party to examine those materials. A hearing on that is set for Thursday, so this week is already proving to be a big one. There are signs tonight that it may be too late. As we're learning, investigators have already gone through the material. We have a lot of news to get to tonight, and CBS's Robert Costa is here to start us off. Good evening, Robert.
Good evening, Nora. Tonight, the legal standoff over the documents taken from the property continues, and the former president continues to lash out at the FBI as he faces legal and political uncertainty.
FBI investigators and agents reviewing the evidence gathered at former President Trump's estate say they found a limited number of documents that could be covered by attorney-client privilege. And sources close to the Trump legal team say that could bolster their push for an outside attorney or special master to be appointed to review the material. But the Florida federal judge overseeing the matter, Eileen Cannon, a Trump appointee, could also conclude that it is now unnecessary. Former federal prosecutor Scott Frederickson said he believes the push by the Trump team for a special master is an effort to derail the investigation.
They're going to try and get the judge involved, get a third-party special master involved to slow this down, to put a monkey wrench in the DOJ's investigation.
Meanwhile, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence, Avril Haines, is leading a review of the classified materials found at Mar-a-Lago to determine any potential risks to national security. FBI agents had obtained video footage showing people had access to the rooms where they were held.
So you have to worry about who had access to those documents, who didn't have a clearance to do so.
Missouri Republican Roy Blunt said Trump should not have held on to the material.
He should have turned the documents over and apparently had turned a number of documents over. What I wonder about is why this could go on for almost 2 years and less than 100 days before the election. Suddenly we're talking about this rather than the economy.
Tomorrow, the Justice Department has a deadline to respond to Trump's request for a special master. Today's filing indicates that they might view that as unnecessary. A hearing on the matter will then be held on Thursday in West Palm Beach, Florida. Nora.
More details coming out, Robert Costa. Thank you.